Ichiyo's Japanese online lesson.
皆さんこんにちは。Ichiyo's Japanese オンラインレッスンのIchiyoです。I'm Ichiyo and I represent Ichiyo's Japanese online lesson.
Have you heard this Japanese word? This is read as
ペラペラ。ペラペラ。We write it in ひらがな or カタカナ。I think we usually write it in カタカナ。
It has 4 different meanings. If you have good Japanese speaking skills, you may be told like
日本語がペラペラですね。日本語がペラペラですね。In this sentence, ペラペラ means speak fluently.
Do you know the different meanings of this word? Today, we'll learn them and master how to use it.
それでは今日のレッスンを始めましょう。
This is the first meaning. A state in which a foreign language is spoken fluently.
When the meaning of ペラペラ is this, we often use these phrases. A は B がペラペラです。
It means A speaks B fluently.
A は B がペラペラです。A は B をペラペラ話します。
It also means A speaks B fluently.
A は B をペラペラ話します。伊藤くんは英語がペラペラです。
It means Ito-kun speaks English fluently.
伊藤くんは英語がペラペラです。伊藤くんは英語がペラペラです。
This is the second meaning. A state in which one speaks flippantly.
When the meaning of ペラペラ is this, we often use these phrases. A は秘密をペラペラ話します。
It means A has a big mouth.
A は秘密をペラペラ話します。A は秘密をペラペラ喋ります。
It also means A has a big mouth.
A は秘密をペラペラ喋ります。佐藤さんは人の秘密をいつもペラペラ話します。
It means Sato-san always gives away other secrets.
佐藤さんは人の秘密をいつもペラペラ話します。佐藤さんは人の秘密をいつもペラペラ話します。佐藤さんは人の秘密をいつもペラペラ話します。人の秘密。
It's a common phrase when we talk about others' secrets or a person's secrets.
たかしが私の秘密をペラペラ喋った。
It means Takashi gave away my secret.
たかしが私の秘密をペラペラ喋った。たかしが私の秘密をペラペラ喋った。たかしが私の秘密をペラペラ喋った。
We'll teach you the difference between the two words in our private lesson or daily Japanese mail support. This is the third meaning. The act of flipping papers or pages.
When the meaning of pera pera is this, we often use this phrase. Pera pera indicates the sound when flipping pages. A は B をペラペラめくっています。
It means A is flipping through a B.
弟は本をペラペラめくっています。
It means my younger brother is flipping through the book.
弟は本をペラペラめくっています。弟は本をペラペラめくっています。先生は教科書をペラペラめくっています。
It means the teacher is flipping through the textbook.
先生は教科書をペラペラめくっています。先生は教科書をペラペラめくっています。
When we turn the page, we can also say
パラパラパラパラ。When pera pera indicates the act of flipping papers or pages, we can use para para instead of pera pera. A は B をパラパラめくっています。
This is the fourth meaning. A state in which a paper or fabric is flimsy.
When the meaning of pera pera is this, we often use these phrases. A はペラペラだ。
It means A is flimsy.
A はペラペラだ。A はペラペラです。
This is the polite form.
A はペラペラです。この段ボールはペラペラだ。
It means these cardboards are flimsy.
この段ボールはペラペラだ。この電車はペラペラの段ボールです。
The literal translation is, this train is a flimsy cardboard. It indicates that this train is made of a flimsy cardboard.
この電車はペラペラの段ボールです。
Summary. It's read as
ペラペラ。ペラペラ。
It has 4 different meanings. The first meaning is a state in which a foreign language is spoken fluently. This is the second meaning. A state in which one speaks flippantly. This is the third meaning. The act of flipping papers or pages. This is the fourth meaning. A state in which a paper or fabric is flimsy. If you are our private lesson or daily Japanese mail support member, please practice using today's vocabulary and show us your Japanese. We'll check and correct your Japanese skills. Today's video focuses on explaining the meanings and phrases. To master today's content correctly, we need a lot of knowledge about the Japanese language. Unfortunately, there are many non-native Japanese learners who can't use Japanese correctly even though they attend a language school. One of the reasons is that teachers don't check students' Japanese privately every time. The teachers must go to their classes as scheduled. In order to master Japanese, you need a native Japanese teacher who'll check and correct your Japanese daily and privately. For that reason, we offer our private lessons and daily Japanese mail support. Daily Japanese mail support is more affordable than our private lessons. This service allows you to start learning with us easily. In this service, we check and correct your Japanese daily even if you are not our private student. The price for this service is 3,600 Japanese yen. That equates roughly to $25 US, 37 Australian dollars or 25 euros. Please check the rate in your local currency before making any purchases. If you want to know more about the details, please check out Ichiyo's Japanese online store. The link is in the description of this video.
それではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。さようなら。